Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy HANA Network on Binance Alpha. So HANA Network just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So first you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search HANA for HANA Network. You can search it and you will find it on Alpha. This one you can just click it, and after that this is the page. As you can see, this is the chart. So from the chart perspective, it's not really good because it's quickly down. But let's see the details. You can just click info in the top here. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. For the volume, it's not bad. I mean, it's good because it's 75 million. It's really good. So they have 1 billion HANA for total supply, and you can also check their website and also their social media. Also, you can check their audit here. You can just read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant. You can swap your BNB or other token to HANA, or you can also choose limit order here. You can put the price here. It's up to you. The price you want to buy, like this, it's up to you, and the amount here. And then you can just click buy here, and there will be place your order. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.